In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Unix timestamp to a date. If you've ever been given a long number like 16970496000 and wondered what day and time that represents, you're looking at a Unix timestamp. It's simply a count of seconds that have passed since January 1st, 1970 Coordinated Universal Time, also known as UTC. Converting it to a readable date is quick and easy using an online tool. Here's how we'll do it. Open your browser and go to an online Unix timestamp converter. You'll typically see a single input box where you can paste the timestamp, along with options for time zone and sometimes for units. Take the timestamp you have, copy it, and paste it into the converter's input field. As soon as you paste it, many converters will automatically display a human-friendly date and time. If not, just click the Convert button. Pay close attention to units. Most timestamps you'll encounter are in seconds, which are usually 10 digits long. Some systems use milliseconds, which are often 13 digits. Many converters can detect this and switch modes automatically. But if the output looks wildly off, like a date far in the past or the distant future, check whether the converter has a seconds versus milliseconds setting and choose the one that matches your number. Next, verify the time zone. Converters frequently default to UTC. If you need the local time for your region, look for a time zone dropdown and select the appropriate zone. This is especially important around daylight saving transitions when an hour can shift. Once you've set the time zone, the displayed date and time should reflect exactly what you expect. You'll usually see the result in a familiar format like year, month, day, followed by hours, minutes, and seconds. Some tools also show multiple formats, such as ISO 8601, or provide a copy button so you can quickly paste the result into documentation, emails, or code comments. If your timestamp includes extra spaces or non-numeric characters, clear those out before converting to avoid errors. That's all there is to it. Paste your number into a Unix timestamp converter, confirm the units, select the time zone you care about, and read the result. It's a fast and reliable way to translate raw timestamps into clear, human-readable dates without memorizing any formulas or writing code. Thanks for watching. If this helped you interpret a cryptic timestamp, you're all set to use online converters confidently for future conversions.